In this video, we'll focus on how to manually edit a 2D cephalometric tracing within the CephX software. This is useful for refining landmark placement and ensuring accuracy in your analysis. First, let's locate the patient whose cephalometric tracing you want to edit. Go to the patient's list page. Now, click on the 2D Actions menu next to the patient's name and select Trace. This will open the cephalometric tracing in the editing interface. Alright, here we are in the tracing page. Let's explore the tools available to us. The point locator is a handy tool for precise viewing. As you hover your cursor over the traced cephalometric image, it displays an enlarged view of the area, aiding in accurate landmark identification. Next, we have a variety of filters and tools to help enhance the image. Feel free to experiment with these to optimize the image for better tracing. This is where we can fine-tune the landmark placement. In the landmark section, you can select specific points to edit. You have two options for editing. Edit by drag allows you to simply click and drag the point to its new location. Alternatively, edit by click lets you select the point from the list and then click on the desired new location on the image. The overlay tool is useful for manipulating a group of landmarks together. You can rotate or move an entire group of landmarks simultaneously. For custom measurements, use the sketch tool. Select a color. Click on the starting and ending points of a line to measure its length. You can also measure the angle between two lines. If needed, the teeth scale tool allows you to specifically adjust the scale of the teeth within the tracing. To calibrate the image, use the scale tool. Click on the ruler icon, enter the known scale value and unit of measurement, then adjust the ruler on the cephalometric tracing. Around the Ceph image, you'll find icons to adjust display options like colors, outlines, points, structures, teeth, and the background. Basic image editing functions are also included. Once you've finished editing the tracing, it's crucial to save your work. Click the Save Changes icon located in the top left menu. After saving, click on the View Analysis icon to download the updated analysis report reflecting your edits. And that's it! You've now learned how to manually edit a 2D cephalometric tracing in CephX. Thanks for watching.